Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can create your own Gmail account, your own email account, and you can use this for anything you want to do online. So the first thing we'll do, you can just Google search. You can search this on Google, Gmail sign up. So you're going to see different links to create your account. So I'm going to go with the first one, which says create your Google account. So I'll just go over and then click on this link. So once I click on it, it's going to take me to the page where I can sign up. So this is an interface to sign up for an account. So I'm going to put in my first name, which is John. Yeah. Then I'm going to the next line, which is my surname, Anavi. And then it's asking me to choose a username. What username do I want to use to represent my email address? So I'm going to just say let me use John. Let me use my name, John Anavi. Yep, I think it won't be available because I've used it before. So I'm just going to, I'm going to put an hyphen here. So I'm going to use this John Anavi at gmail.com. So it should be available. Oh, it's not available. Okay, only letters and numbers. Okay, so I'm going to use John Anavi. Oh, let me use the number. Let me use 19. Okay, I think I've used, let me use 01. John Anavi 01. So I'm going to use that. So then we'll use password. You can set a password, mix numbers, capital letters and small letters and numbers and characters together. So I'm just going to use capital letter, small letter, characters, special characters, then figure. So I'm going to retype that. Yep. So I'm just going to click. Okay, I'm not going to click on show password. So I'm going to click on next. So once you fill in your details there, just click on next. Yes, you can save. You will get a prompt. So your PC will remember, oh, there's a mistake somewhere. Let me try again. I don't know what's happening. Let's see. Let me do that again. Password. Let's click on next and see. I think this is working now. Let's see. Okay, good. So now we can verify our phone numbers. We're going to add the phone number. I have just 2 mobile numbers. Let me see if it's going to accept one of these numbers. I'm going to click on next. Let's see if I'm going to get it's going to send me a code, or it's going to, okay, good, it accepts the number. So okay, I just got the code right now, so I'm going to type in the code, which is 265969969. so I'm just going to click on verify. So once I verify and it's approved and then it's all good to go, so I'll have a Gmail account I can use for anything online, for my business, for proposals, for pitching, for registrations online, anything I want to use it for. Now I have a working Gmail account. So it's trying to verify the code it sends to my mobile phone just now. So let's see. Let's just hold on for it to complete. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Okay, it's asking for something. Okay, it's asking for recovery email. Yes, I'm going to add this. Then month, I'm going to use my birth month, July, and then date, I'm going to use 01. And then year, I'm going to use 1987, which is my year. And then gender, of course, I'm male, so I'm going to use male. And then I'm going to click on next. I never expected this video to exceed 5 minutes, but it's getting to 5 minutes. So let's hope everything is successful. all right, so now we are in. If you like, you can add your phone number or blah blah blah, all this. So we are in. You can just go ahead and then click on yes, I'm in. Okay. Oh, sorry, I also have clicked. Okay, yeah, okay, that's okay. So we have our privacy and terms section. So the usual thing, you just have to accept that yes, I agree. So once you agree, you are good to go, and then your email address is now active and ready to go. So let's just wait for it to refresh and then present us to our dashboard. Okay, so now we have our email address. So you can see it says welcome John Anavi. So I can decide to personalize my information, things I want to be visible and things I don't want to be visible. So to go to my Gmail account now, where I receive email and send emails, I just come over here. I can come over right here, click on these three tabs. Sorry, this button section here, and then I can just go to Gmail. Or you can just open a new tab and type Gmail. It's going to take you right there. So let's wait. So it's taking us to our email right now. So it's loading up. Let's see. All right. So you can see it's now open. So this is our Gmail account where you can now get email address. So if someone asks for your Gmail, hey, do you have an email address? Send us your email. I want to send you something. I want to send you an information. So this will be your email. You can see this is my email. I'm going to send to people, johnanavi001@gmail.com. So if you don't have a Gmail account, you don't have an email address, this is how to create an email account. It's very simple, very easy, and you can do this on your mobile phone. It's very simple. So once you have, the only thing you need is of course you need an internet connection, and then you need a mobile number, a phone number. It could be MTN, Glo, Zain, Airtel, Etisalat, whatever. Just make sure you have a good one, and once it's acceptable, once it's acceptable, then you are good to go. So that's all for now, guys. This is how to create an email account. So every other training you get inside the free training section. So thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and bye bye.